Every year, influenza infects 1 in 3 New Zealanders, hospitalising around 5,000 people. In 2022, 695 people died of influenza alone. Our elderly, tamariki and vulnerable are most at risk, along with our Māori and Pasifika community. Worryingly, of those infected, 3/4 do not show any symptoms, which makes transmission untraceable and hard to stop. The Well Kiwis team are a group of dedicated researchers and health workers on a mission to unlock the secrets of influenza transmission and immunity and the impact of public health interventions. Led by scientists at ESR, the study follows children and households for up to 7 years. The most important resource we have to achieve this vision is the unwavering support of the participants and whānau giving their time and energy to be part of this groundbreaking study. As part of the study, baseline and annual blood samples are taken from each participant. We know giving blood can be daunting and hard for some family members, but over time, this becomes easier and easier. During the influenza season, each participant receives a link to a short online survey every Sunday night. Filling in the survey can be as easy as a few clicks on their phone. If the participant is feeling unwell, the survey delves a bit deeper into how they're feeling and what symptoms they have. The clinical team will assess the responses and will get in touch to discuss the symptoms. This may lead to the sick participant doing a nasal swab at home. Swabs are collected by a courier and delivered to the ESR virology lab for testing. Over the next 48 hours, the lab team tests for a range of viruses, including influenza, COVID, and a host of other viruses. If the results are positive for influenza, a nurse will call the participant as soon as possible to arrange for a blood sample to be taken. At this point, families of the participant have an option to become part of the transmission study, which helps them learn how the infection moves through the whānau. Through the research, Well Kiwis are able to see transmission trends and viral spikes in the community. That information provides an early warning system of viruses and pathogens in the community. This also feeds into the makeup of the following year's annual influenza vaccine. The swabs provide great insight for participants, whānau and their local GP, helping them make better decisions on how they manage their sickness. However, the blood samples are where the study kicks into another gear. Our researchers look collectively at immune responses over time and identify which antibody or immune cells protect people from getting influenza infections. This research will enable us to build a stronger, more durable and longer-lasting vaccine, which can save thousands of lives. We have a saying at Well Kiwis, swab for you, blood for the greater good. In order for the study to succeed, it's vitally important that our whānau stay in the study. The longer our whānau stay in the study, the richer our understanding of influenza becomes. Let's make influenza a thing of the past. He waka eke noa. We're all in this together.